For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz. Let's take another look at some of those Confluence levels for you bootcamp guys. We've got JP Morgan this morning, and we had a Confluence level at the 88.55 central pivot, and then the only support and resistance in the way once we hit that level was 88.44, and a logical target on that right down here at the closing price, $88.26 from the prior session. We can see the price moved through that a little bit, but then reversed immediately back up. Got all the way back up to that 88.55 pivot and made the move again. So that's a good example, again, of how those play out. Generally, if we're focused on the first hour trades, of course, we're not going to see this later reversal back down through here. But that's okay. Even if you just trade the first hour, one time was enough for a 29-cent per share gain on JPM. Delphi this morning, this one got you in and ticked you back out again. So this had to move above that central pivot from below, got down through, never got us 20 cents in profits, got us back out again, about a 15-cent scratch on that one. Did come later in the morning, down through the pivot, and look what happened, 79.76 down to 78.78. So if you were watching this after the first hour was over, nice opportunity for a profit here. If not, then as long as you followed the logic, there is nothing to worry about. Then finally we had AEM, this one up through the central pivot, made a beautiful reversal right around the 10 o'clock hour Eastern time. Came down, got into that first level of support and resistance that we were expecting and took a bounce. So 43.64 actually was the area that we were expecting to see a little bit of a bounce. Never got back up to the 43.88 line. Depends on whether or not you took this one out here, of course, whether you booked a 25-cent per share gain or saw the move all the way down into this morning's lows around $43.32. So these are all the logical ways to look at these. In any case, what you should see is the opportunity for profit here on a day that the market is otherwise pretty slow in terms of the setups. Again, you bootcamp guys should have a bunch of setups in addition to the ones that I publish every night, so you should have other opportunities on these types of entries. But if you need help with them, just give me a buzz. You've got my number. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. The best trader education anywhere, only from TraderInsight.com.